Welcome to RichPete's screen-free learning mini-course. In this series, you'll discover how to use simple print-and-play games to teach children important skills like counting, colours, maths, patience, teamwork, and problem-solving. These games are easy to download, print, cut out, and play at home, in school, or during family time. Print-and-play games are not only for one type of family or one type of classroom. They can be used in many different settings. At home, they can become part of your child's daily learning routine. You can play one short game after breakfast, after school, or before bedtime. Even 10 to 15 minutes of focused play can help children practice useful skills. For homeschoolers, printable games can make lessons more flexible. Instead of only using worksheets, you can add a game at the end of a lesson to reinforce what the child has learned. For teachers, print-and-play games can work well for small groups, early finishers, classroom centres, or reward activities. You can divide children into pairs or groups and allow them to practice while having fun. For daycare owners and childcare providers, printable games are helpful because they are easy to reuse. You can print, laminate, and store them in folders or envelopes. This makes it easy to bring them out again and again. For family night, these games can bring parents, children, and siblings together. Instead of everyone being on a separate screen, the family can sit together, laugh, talk, compete, and learn. Instead of everyone being on a separate screen, the family can sit together, laugh, talk, compete, and learn. A game like Captain Coral's Treasure Hunt can be used for adventure-themed play. Children can search, count, move, and make decisions. Safari Snap can be used for quick matching. Dino Dash can be used when you want something energetic and exciting. Rainbow Road can support colour learning and younger children's play. The important thing is to choose the game based on your goal. For colour recognition, choose a colour-based game. For counting, choose dice and movement games. For money skills, choose a market-style game. For teamwork, choose games that require players to wait, share, or plan. For family bonding, choose games that everyone can enjoy together. Print-and-play games are flexible. You can use them for serious learning, light play, revision, holiday fun, or quiet afternoon activities. Get the ultimate kids game bundle on RichPete and create fun learning activities for home, school, and family time. Visit www.richpete.com. Download your print-and-play games and build your own screen-free learning gamebox today.